Hi everyone. Let me explain data communication and computer network in a simple way. Data communication is here. Data communication is it's defined as the exchange of means exchange of information between two or more devices. For example, when we send a message, when we send the message, image, video, or email, data is moving from one device to another. It's called a data communication, which means it's the exchange of information. Exchange of information here is message, video, image, or email that's been exchanged between two or more devices, sender and receivers, or senders to the multiple receivers. Is called the data communication. And here the computer network is defined as computer network is a system that connects device such as printer, computer itself, phones, servers, and phones and server, so they can communicate and share resources. It's called the computer network. Example, let me give a sketch for this one so that everybody can understand what it means. For example, a data communication, another example for data communications. Okay, how it works. Data communications, let's assume it's a sender A, or simply say phone A, and the data has to move it has to travel to the sender, to the receiver, let's say phone B. What's happening is a sender, it creates the information here, and that information, it can be text, image, video, voice, or email, and that information is traveling through a communication channel. Let's say this as a communication channel. It is traveling through communication channel. Okay, and this receiver it gets the informations, and it interprets the informations. That is how the data flows. Another example is, let's say Mr. Chris sends hello, and then data is traveling through communication channel, and the Chris friend of Chris receive hello. That's how it works. This is the simplest form of data communication. It is the simplest form of data communication. If I give you an example of, for example, I'll give an example of WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. Let's talk about WhatsApp. For example, phone A. Let's assume this one is a phone A. Phone A, it travel through internet. It traveled through internet in order to connect to another person, to connect to the phone B, let's say, and then it has to reach to the WhatsApp server, and then from here again they use the internet and finally reach to the phone B. In a simple way, you type the message on phone A and WhatsApp converts the message into digital data, that is zeros and ones, and then message goes through Wi-Fi or mobile data through internet, and it reaches to the WhatsApp server, and this server finds your friend's account. It will find the friend's account, and the server forwards the message, and then server again forwards the message, and your friend receive it. This is how it works. And in a simple definitions for computer network is collections of connected devices. It's called the communication network. For example, your laptop, right? Your laptop can access the internet. It accesses the internet. And your phone accesses the internet. Printer can receive the document from laptop. Routers manage communication between all devices. These are the computer networks. Because without the network, this laptop, phone cannot access the internet, right? That's the end of the data communications and computer network. Let me summarize it. Data communication means the exchange of information between two or more devices. Okay, for example, when we send a message, video, image, or email, data is moving from one device to another. Okay, the moving from one device to another, carrying a message, is called the data communications. And the computer network is a system. It's a system, okay? It's a system that connects devices such as printer, computer, phones, and servers. The main reason for connecting is to communicate and share resources. It's called the computer network. Thank you. Thanks for listening.